the following program for this civil emergency message. The following message is transmitted at request of the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office at approximately 2:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A very unusual event is occurring in the cities of Bend and Redmond. There are several reports coming in that video game enemies from unknown origin are invading many superstores and shopping malls. There are at least 15 dry bones, 20 Koopa troopas, and 37 Goombas taking control of public transportation and using circuit breakers to clone themselves into an army of video game Villians. They are currently armed with various weapons. Police are yet trying to apprehend these creatures, but several attempts to stop them so far have failed. These foreign creatures are getting out of hand. At this time, all citizens are advised to take cover indoors immediately, lock all doors and windows, and to shut off all game consoles to avoid designing more clone machines. If you see any of these enemies coming towards your front door, dial 911 immediately. If you're currently out on the road, avoid the downtown area until civil authorities sound the all clear. Stay tuned for more updates as they occur. We interrupt the following program for a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at request of the Lincoln Police Department and the Nebraska State Patrol, at approximately 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A group of bullet bills and Banzai bills are destroying many buildings and towers in the downtown Lincoln area. It is currently unknown what their motives are and where they came from. But the government believes that they are related to the crisis that happened in Bend, Oregon 2 hours ago, They also have cloned themselves and have set up portals all over, creating more video gameville ends to invade and infiltrate our planet. At this time, all residents are ordered to take cover indoors into a basement or closet and away from windows, if you're in a high-rise building. Get out of there, as high-rises are on target for more bullet and Banzai bills. You are currently listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. This is Channel 15 and we will continue to serve the Lincoln area. If you're not in this area, please tune to a channel covering news for your area. Interrupt our program due to a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at request of the United States government at approximately 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Several video game Villians, including Koopa troopas, dry bones, Goombas, bullet, and Banzai bills, Fuzzies, Lakitus, Piranha plants, and thwomps are infiltrating the entire United States of America. These foreign creatures are getting very angry and are turning the entire Freeland into operating the banner under communist video game dictator rule.
At this time, the entire United States is under attack by Nintendo Mario Bros. Villians. At this time, all citizens are advised to stay indoors and to not play any more video games, as these will likely produce more Mario Villians and turning them into clones. If you see any of these enemies, dial 911 immediately. The president will be speaking on all channels in approximately 1 hour. Stand by for this message. You are currently listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. This is channel 17, and we will continue to serve the Baltimore area. If you're not in this area, please tune to a channel covering news for your area.
Good evening, this is Eric reporting live at the CNN News Studio here in New York City. Tonight, breaking news, there have been reports coming in that Nintendo Super Mario villains are cloning themselves and invading shopping malls and superstores. There have been many incidents of break-ins and looting happening all over the country, as well as Canada and Mexico. Dry bones, bullet and Banzai bills, Koopalings, and Fuzzies taking over major cities and towns in Oregon, Nebraska, and Maryland. The National Guard has been trying so hard many times to stop this Mario riot, but several attempts to stop them so far have failed. We are urging all citizens to stay indoors and to not engage any of the invaders directly. Citizens are also urged to stop playing video games, as they will make more clones of Mario enemies. The motives of these villains are unknown, but they are currently raging out of control. We will be back at 11 for the 11 o'clock p.m. news. Until then, this is Eric reporting live at the CNN News Studio here in New York.
We interrupt the following program for an emergency action termination message. The following message is transmitted by order of the United States government. The Mario Villian invasion is officially over. All of the dry bones, Goombas, bullet and Banzai bills, and Koopa troopas have been defeated by the National Guard and are now being sent back to their homes. They are no longer on U.S. soil. At this time, it's safe for everyone to play games again. Your government would like to thank all citizens for their cooperation and best behavior, as these Mario villains are no longer a threat to our world. This an emergency action termination message. The emergency action notification that was issued 2 weeks ago is now cancelled. This includes operations under the emergency alert system. We now return to normal programming.